All right, so I've got this thing kind of filled in, but I have little blobby bits that are, going into where the grout is going to be. And I can handle that in a couple of different ways. But what I'm going to do is right now, the selected option is where I'm, rubber stamping. And so what I'm going to do is go back to the move select and right click. Oh, sorry, the selection and right click and select the inverse. It has to be on this little selection guy. And if I select the inverse, it'll select that interior piece and I can actually edit and clear that, right? So now that guy is all cleared out. Um, and if I wanted to, I could also, clear the red, but maybe we'll wait on that and sort of fiddle with it in a minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn the pattern off for now. So now that's kind of what we have, created as that. So now what we want to create, and we're going to have to fill in where that red is, right? So um, let's go ahead and turn the pattern back on because I want to fill in where that red is. So what I'm going to do is, because if I pick the red, it's going to go all the way across the edges here. I'm going to come in, zoom in here, and on the pattern, I'm just going to window around here where the red is and clear that. Clear, right? And I'll do that on the other sides as well. So, and let's go down here, get this guy, clear that. I think I got this one, but I can't remember. Let's see. Nope. Let's get this guy. Edit clear. And then I'm going to do Control 0 and it'll zoom me back out. And then I can use my window zoom to get back in. Kind of zoom back up. So we're looking at this guy. Whoops. One back. And so now what I'm going to do is I don't have that selection anymore, but I saved it. So I'm going to go to select, load selection, and I'm just going to grab that pattern and click OK. And then I'm going to go to my magic wand again, and I'm going to hold down the shift key, maybe zoom in a little, and grab the red, right? So go to this guy and get rid of contiguous and pick the red. It's going to now move that selection out and I can actually go to load, save selection, and I'll just save over the pattern one. Click OK. So now if I Alt and zoom out again, right, we can kind of finish off that that amount. So if I rubber stamp, maybe make that a little smaller, right? Yeah. If I come in and, again, I did it before, but Alt in the center. So if I Alt here and come over and, whoops, I have to go to the original tile and Alt here at the top and drag down, right? It's going to fill, well, let's turn the pattern off so you can see it. It's going to fill that little extra bit. And then if I Alt here and go over here, it'll fill that little extra bit. And then if I Alt, let's say somewhere, this guy seems a little light over here. Let's get rid of him. Maybe Alt here and drag to the left, and then Alt here and drag to the left and sort of clean these guys up. And the same thing over here. So I'll Alt here and let's do it in the center. Alt here, drag to the left. Alt here, drag to the left. Right. Alt here, drag to the left, Alt here, and drag to the left. And then those two guys I already did, so this one I'll Alt near the top again, so sort of close to here, and drag down, and Alt again near the top and drag down, right? So now we've got our whole pattern done, and then when we come back, we'll do the grout.